Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Samsung Galaxy A35. From its sleek design to its solid camera performance and powerful battery life, we'll cover all the highlights and challenges you need to know about this mid-range contender. If you're considering buying the Galaxy A35, this video will help you understand if it's the perfect fit for your daily needs or not. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G offers a balance of performance, display, and camera quality in the mid-range segment, appealing to users seeking a reliable smartphone without flagship costs. Here's a detailed look into its features and overall experience, design, and build. The Galaxy A35 has a sleek, modern design similar to Samsung's higher-end models, with a matte back and slightly curved edges for better grip. Available in colors like blue, black, and white, it has a plastic back that feels sturdy and gives it a refined look. Its design is compact, fitting comfortably in one hand. Display quality. Equipped with a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, the Galaxy A35 offers vibrant colors and high contrast. The refresh rate is capped at 90 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling without significant battery drain. Its brightness levels are suitable for outdoor viewing, making it great for content consumption and general use. Performance and software. The Galaxy A35 runs on Samsung's in-house Exynos processor paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring respectable multitasking capabilities for everyday tasks like social media, browsing, and light gaming. It ships with One UI 6.1 based on Android 13, with Samsung promising software updates for improved longevity. One UI is optimized for customization, providing options like theme changes and split-screen multitasking. In benchmarks, the A35 holds its ground but doesn't compare with premium models like the Galaxy S series or Google Pixel. However, it's adequate for users who aren't heavy gamers or power users. Camera performance. The rear triple camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The primary camera delivers good detail and vibrant colors in well-lit settings. The ultra-wide lens captures wide perspectives but may lack fine detail, especially in low light. Portraits have strong subject-background separation, although edge detection could sometimes falter. The 13-megapixel front camera produces sharp selfies with accurate skin tones under ideal lighting. Low-light performance is decent but not exceptional. Night mode helps, but images can appear grainy in darker settings. This camera setup suits casual photography enthusiasts looking for versatility over absolute top-tier quality. Battery life and charging. The Galaxy A35 houses a 5000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a full day with moderate use, including video streaming, browsing, and social media. It supports 25-watt fast charging, though it's worth noting that Samsung doesn't include a fast charger in the box, which has become standard in mid-range smartphones. Storage options. The phone offers 128 GB and 256 GB storage options, expandable with a microSD card. This flexibility ensures users have ample space for apps, media, and photos, audio, and connectivity. The A35 retains a headphone jack, appealing to those still using wired earphones. Its speaker output is decent, though it lacks the bass punch of higher-end models. Connectivity options include 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, ensuring modern connectivity standards. Advantages. Stunning AMOLED display. The FHD Plus screen provides vibrant colors and smooth visuals at a 90 Hz refresh rate. Solid battery life. A large battery ensures day-long usage with moderate activity. Well-rounded camera performance. The camera quality, especially for portraits, is competitive for its price range. Storage flexibility. Expandable storage offers users the ability to store more media without worrying about space. Disadvantages. Average processor. The Exynos chip is competent but falls short for gaming or demanding multitasking. Limited low-light photography. While decent in daylight, camera performance diminishes in low light. Slow charging out of box. No fast charger included, which could be inconvenient for those looking for quicker charge times. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A35 is ideal for users wanting a stylish, mid-range smartphone with a reliable display, a decent camera, and strong battery life without breaking the bank. Its performance is suited to everyday tasks rather than intensive gaming, while it has a few limitations like average low-light camera performance and lack of fast charger in the box. The A35 holds strong as a well-rounded mid-tier option. This review provides an in-depth look for viewers to decide if the Galaxy A35 meets their needs in the mid-range category. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy A35. Hopefully, this guide has given you clear insights into what the A35 has to offer. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smartphone insights, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy A35. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with more tech reviews.